All right. Hello, everybody. So I'm here driving in the van. Just came back from Di Lorenzo's. And this is just a shout out. Very, very happy. And if you are looking for a family that is honest and does great work, they care about you, they're very knowledgeable, then we highly recommend that you check them out. They've got great reviews, but more importantly, just meeting them in person, they seem to always want to do the right thing, and I think that just makes you feel that they truly not only care about what they do, but they care about who they're doing their work for. And so, if you're tired of, going to all these places and feeling like you're getting ripped off and not knowing what you don't know, I highly recommend these guys. I think that it's a breath of fresh air. How many people get to go to a mechanic and leave with a smile on their face? Well worth the money spent. And in case you're asking, I have the phone set up on the dash here, so I'm not holding it. So I'm driving legally here. But very pleased, and definitely just want to make this video for anybody. Again, it's Di Lorenzo's. They're up they're in the Albany, New York area, exit 8A, which is Grooms Road off of the Northway. If you're going north, just get off exit 8A and then go down about 4 miles on Grooms Road, stay straight, and they're right there just past the Four Corner area, I believe. So anyways, that's the end of this video, but I hope this helps many other people in the future. I hope this can bring them more business, because they're good people and they well deserve it. They're practicing a trade that they are passionate about, and they're competent, and that's what makes the world a better place, to have great people that are just honest and do the right thing. So anyways, thank you guys for all the work that you did going into the holiday season. So for everybody out there, have a wonderful holidays, have a great new year, and that's all.